In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between accounts using QuickBooks Online in 2025. This simple yet essential task can streamline your financial management by ensuring funds flow effortlessly between your accounts. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser. Let's go with Chrome for this demonstration and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, simply enter your email address and your password to access your account. Once you've logged in, navigating to the transfer feature is the next step. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Plus New and click on it. Under the Other category in this menu, you'll find the transfer feature. Selecting this option will allow you to initiate a transfer process. With the transfer interface open, it's time to fill out the details of your transfer. Begin by selecting the account from which the funds will be debited. This could be your checking account or any other suitable option you have set up. Next, decide where you want the money to go, such as a savings account or any other entity account listed. Although specifying a payment method is optional, you can choose between options like bank transfer or cash if you prefer. Now, carefully enter the exact amount you'd like to transfer. Specify the date you want the transaction to be effective, whether that's today's date or a chosen future date. If you wish, add a memo or note in the optional section for reference, perhaps labeling it as monthly transfer to savings or whatever suits your record-keeping needs. With all your details entered, it's time to save your transfer. You have two options here. You can click Save and Close to finalize this particular transfer, or if you have multiple transfers to make, select Save and New to set up another one. Finally, it's crucial to verify that your transfer has been executed properly. To do this, navigate to the Accounting section in your left menu and click on Chart of Accounts. Here, you should review both the from and to accounts to ensure that the transfer has been accurately recorded. Double checking is always a good practice, so make sure that the balances reflect your bank records and that everything matches up as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money between accounts using QuickBooks Online, ensuring that your finances are organized and up to date. Thank you for following along, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and financial management tips.